Ever get confused by the term network security and cybersecurity? They might sound alike, but they each protect our online world in a different ways. Let's start with network security. Think of it as the protective shield around your organization's network infrastructure. All those devices and connections that allow data to move from one place to another, like routers, switches, firewall, and any part of your system that controls data flow. These devices creates the roads of data, where the data travels within the organization. Monitoring network traffic to spot unusual spikes or unauthorized access attempts is also part of the network security. It's like a security checkpoint that scans the traffic passing through. Then there are tools such as intrusion detection and intrusion prevention system, which is IDS and IPS, which looks for malicious packets or suspicious activities. If something doesn't look right, they immediately alert administrator and ideally block the threat. Another crucial element is VPNs, virtual private networks. They create unencrypted tunnels, ensuring data traveling over public networks like the internet stays safe from eavesdropping. Finally, network security policies outlines who can access what and how. These rules help maintain an organized, layered defense against potential intruders. Essentially, network security is the first line of defense and prevents a stranger from wandering into your data highway. By keeping the infrastructure in check, you're building a strong foundation for overall security. Let's zoom out to the bigger picture, cybersecurity. This is an umbrella term that covers everything related to protecting and defending digital assets. While network security deals with highways, cybersecurity encompasses the entire city, from roads, networks, to buildings, which is servers and endpoints, and even the people walking around in your city, like users and their devices. Cybersecurity goes beyond just network devices. It includes endpoints like computers and mobile devices, cloud environment, databases, software applications. Basically anything that can be hacked or compromised online or digitally is part of the cybersecurity protection. A huge part of cybersecurity is gathering threat intelligence, staying on top of the latest vulnerabilities and hacking techniques. Cybersecurity strategies often includes firewall, antiviruses, secure coding practices, encryptions, and software updates. On top of that, it involves user education, teaching people how to spot and avoid phishing scams and other social engineering techniques. When a cyber attack does occur, cybersecurity team have a plan to detect, contain, and mitigate the damage. They also conduct digital forensics afterwards to learn from the incident and strengthen defense so that it can be avoided or be better protected for the next time. So while the network security is crucial, cybersecurity ties it all together, people, processes, and technology, to ensure that the entire digital environment remains protected. Now that we have clear view of each term, let's talk about what truly sets them apart. So network security, specifically about securing the network layer, the gear, and the traffic. Cybersecurity guards all digital assets from internal servers to cloud services and then even user devices. Network security deals heavily with malware, distributed denial of service, which is DDoS attacks, and unauthorized intrusions getting into the network's infrastructure. Cybersecurity covers that, plus threats like ransomware, phishing scams, social engineering, zero-day exploits, and more. Network security mainly uses firewalls, IDS, IPS, VPNs, and segmentations to isolate and protect data in transit. Cybersecurity can involve encryption, secure application development, endpoint protection, multi-factor authentication, and employees training on the best practices. Network security is often the responsibility of network administrator and the specialized engineer. Cybersecurity typically involves a broader team, from CISO and a security analyst to software developer to even regular employees with security awareness. Network security is about keeping the data pipeline free from intruders and ensuring safe transit. Cybersecurity aims to prevent confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data everywhere, whether it's stored, in motion, or being accessed by the user. So I hope this helps you to actually get the better idea of what is the difference between network security and cybersecurity. They're very two different things. So until next time, stay safe, informed, and remember, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.